Welcome to School math.guru. Today we are going to cover few topics on number system. Number system. It is a system to represent numbers based on their type and character. So according to numbers type and character, numbers are divided into different groups. Here we are able to see few systems, number systems. One is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational. The combination of rational and irrational we call it as real numbers. First, one by one we will see. First one is natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers starts from 1 and they will continue. There is no end for natural numbers. Why we require natural numbers is to count. Example, number of students in a class, or population of country, or number of plants planted in a school. If anything, if you want to count, we use natural numbers. The next one is whole numbers. Whole numbers starts from 0 and no end for whole numbers also. Along with all natural numbers, 0 is also there in whole numbers. Here I am giving one example here. 2 apples I have. I gave those 2 apples to my friend. So how many apples left with me? Nothing. No apples with me. To represent this nothing, we use 0 in mathematics. This is whole number system. The next number system is integers. The next number system is integers. Integers already we covered in previous classes. All whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, so on, and negative numbers. So along with whole numbers, negative numbers are also there. These negative numbers, where we will use, here I am giving again example. Suppose if you observe temperature in cold countries, how it will be? In minus 40 degrees, minus 10 degrees, minus 5 degrees. That means these are below 0 degrees. To represent below 0 degrees, we require negative numbers. Same way, if you want to talk about depth of the sea level, from sea level if you want to find the depth, again we will use negative numbers. The next one is fractions. Fractions means apart from whole. Apart from whole. Suppose if there is a pizza, if I cut it into 4 equal parts, out of 4, if one part I selected, that is 1 by 4. If 2 parts I selected, that is 1 by 2. So all these 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 8 by 11, 13 by 15, all these are fractions. These are fractions. To represent these type of numbers which are not there in previous number systems, we use rational numbers. If we cover rational numbers definition, any number which we can write in the form of P by Q, where p comma q are integers, that is belongs to I, and q not equal to 0. So any number which we can write in the form of p by q, where p comma q are integers and q not equal to 0, then we can call that number as a rational number. So if we observe integers, all integers, can we write in the form of p by q or not? Yes, we can write in the form of p by q. That is 2 is there, means I can write 2 by 1, 3 by 1, minus 2 by 1, minus 1 by 1, 1 by 1, minus 3 by 1. So all the numbers I am able to write in the form of p by q. Even 0 also we can write in the form of p by q. That means the definition is, what definition is saying? These integers are satisfying for that definition, so we can call all integers are rational numbers. Along with integers, if you take two integers, in between two integers, suppose 0 and 1 are there here. In between 0 and 1, 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 4 is there in between 0 and 1 by 2. So if you take a number line, on number line, for every rational number, there is a unique place on number line. There is a unique place. There is a unique place on number line for every rational number. This is about rational numbers. Now we will see how to represent rational numbers on number line. How to represent rational numbers on number line. So take a number line 0, 1, 2, and the same way in left side of 0, my negative numbers will be there. Suppose if I want to represent 3 by 4 on number line, 3 by 4 when I convert into decimal it is 0.75. That means it will lie in between 0 and 1. So this 0 I can write as 0 by 4 because denominator here is 4. Same way 1 I can write as 4 by 4. 4 by 4 when I cancel the value is 1. Now because denominator is 4, in between 0 and 1, whatever area is there, that I should divide into 4 equal parts. That means I need to take 3 lines. I need to draw 3 lines. So first one will be after 0 by 4, it is 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. Now our required number 3 by 4 position we got now. Same way another example 8 by 3. When we convert into either decimal or mixed fraction, 2 by 3, that means why we are converting is where it will lie we can understand. When we convert into either decimal or mixed fraction, we can identify where it will lie. So 2 by 3 means after 2. The number 8 by 3 will lie after 2 before 3. So 2 I can write as 6 by 3 because here denominator is 3. Same way 3 I can write as 9 by 3. Again in between the area 2 and 3 I should divide into 3 equal parts. So first one will be 7 by 3 and next one will be 8 by 3, which is our required rational number position on the number line. One more example. The next number is 5 by 3. If I want to represent 5 by 3, this 1, not 2, 1, 2 by 3. number line, it will lie in between 1 and 2. So here denominator again, we have to observe denominator. Based on the denominator, we should consider our numbers. So here denominator is 3. After 1, the number will lie after 1. So 1 I can write as 3 by 3. 2 I can write as 6 by 3. When we cancel again, we will get 2. So in between 1 and 2, the area whatever it is, we should divide it into 3 equal parts. That means I need to draw 2 lines in between 1 and 2. So first line will be 4 by 3 and second line will be 5 by 3. So our required position of 5 by 3 is here. One more example. 6 by 7. It will be 0 point around 8. That means it will lie in between 0 and 1, near to 1. So we should take the number line 0, 1, because here denominator is 7. I need to draw 7 equal parts. So we should take little bit gap in between 0 and 1. Now 0 we can assume as 0 by 7. 1 we can take as 7 by 7. Sorry, 7 by 7. Then in between 0 and 1 we should divide into 7 parts. That means 6 lines we should take. 3, 4, 5, 6. So first one will become 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, which is our required number position. This is the way to represent any rational number on number line. Thank you. Subscribe my channel, and any doubts you can give as a comment. Thank you.